Hi kids, today we are going to do English reading from Sound Book 2. Now take out your Sound Book 2 and open page number 4 with me. This is your page number 4. Before starting our reading, let's see the pictures first. What do you see in the pictures? There is a cave, there is a fox, a hen, there is a hut, and what do you see inside the hut? 3 men are sitting inside the hut. There is a man, he has a gun in his hand, and there is a tail of a fox. Now the sentences which we are going to read are related to these pictures. Let's start our reading. The bad fox. The bad fox. A fox in a den. A fox in a den. A fox and a hen. A fox and a hen. Men in a hut. Men in a hut. A man and a gun. A man and a gun. Now this is only one word, so we are going to sound this. Pop. Run, fox, run, fox, run. Now you can sound these words with me. Bad, fox, den, hen, gun, pop, run, men. Now your homework is that you have to do reading of this page 3 times and learn the spellings of these words and do dictation on your rough registers.